Hey guys, I'm back once again. Today I'm at Marshall's, and we missed last week. Well, I did. Sorry about that. But we're back again, and we're at it, and we're finding new stuff. And I just found a bunch of MAC. So this is the Studio Fix pressed powder foundation. I remember using this, oh god, 20 years ago. 20 easily. Comes in NW18. There's only one of them. It's $12.99. And then right next to it we have the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. Couple of shades going for $14.99. And yeah, today I'm just going to focus on the new stuff. And over here we've seen some of these palettes before by Revolution. I don't know. Some of them are fruits. This one is a milkshake. See this one? But I think this was the most popular one out of all of them, was the avocado. Let me know if I'm wrong down below. This one's $6.99 and it's the tasty avocado. And yeah, that could be some cool greens for like St. Patty's Day coming up. It's coming up in only a few days. And super cheap. I think I've seen other versions of this, but I've never seen the avocado, I don't think. And this is the milkshake. Very cute for that one. Or is it a coffee? I don't know. It's something. It's coffee. $6.99. Don't know the shades because the box doesn't tell me. And then down here, some Kat Von D foundations. I did hear that these were around. People were finding them. This is the Locket Foundation. It's supposed to be a really good foundation. It's definitely full coverage. It's $12.99. At least I think so. But True Portrait's the other one. One of these is definitely full coverage. I think it's this guy. Locket's $12.99. True Portrait's $9.99. True Portrait says that it's liquid to powder. So I've never used a KVD foundation. And also this is the newer packaging. All the Kat Von D stuff or the KVD stuff that we found all had the old packaging, but this is the new KVD logo. So 2 of each type are here for that one. Over here in this little corner we have a bunch of little Milk Minis. I love Milk Minis. This is the little blur stick. This is the sheer matte primer. And then it does say, yeah, that says blur stick, but then there's blur stick over here. And that just says blur stick, blur primer. So is there a sheer one and a regular? I don't know. I've never seen the minis in the box like that. But then they do have the lip and cheek oils, glow oil they call it, for $5.99. And the shade's Halo. And then we also have Glimmer on that one. So $4.99 for the blur, and for the cheek stick $5.99 for that one. Over here in skincare, and I noticed for the first time that the Youthquakes are in the little cage thingies. And look, we have the regular size, the 1.7 ounce, and we have the 3 ounce. And these guys are both on clearance. So $16 for this guy. And this guy, I believe, is $90. It's a current product. It's not even an old product. $20. And this guy's $90 retail. So I'm over by the lip stuff. And also in here I found the KVD. See, that has the old packaging. Kat Von D, the old one. Lash liner. This is what you use for your upper waterline. And it's in the black shade, Trooper Black, going for $4.99. So I just found some of the full sizers of the Pattern. Is a brand by Tracy Ellis Ross. They have this at Ulta. This is the hydration shampoo. That one's going for $9.99. And then we have the heavy conditioner for coilies. That one is for $12.99. And what else do we have? We have this little guy, the intensive conditioner. And that one is $4.99. That's conditioner for tight textures. Oh, and this is new. The Pattern jojoba oil hair serum. I've only seen the shampoo and stuff before and the conditioner. So these ones are going for $10.99. So I must walk right by this. I thought that this was a little perfume. It's Juicy Couture lipstick. What? Glitter Velour Lipstick in the shade Happily Ever After 03. $4.99. Juicy Couture. Interesting. Who knew that they had makeup? Not me. Up here we have some Beauty Blender Bounce Foundations. I was at TJ Maxx earlier this week. They didn't have too much. I wasn't filming. I did find a bunch of these in different shades. Going for $12.99. They're currently on sale for $20, which is half price at Sephora if you want to get them there. And I don't know, some people were saying that these were going for $10 in store at some Sephoras. So check it out. They might be doing in-store clearance of these guys. I don't know if they're being discontinued or what, but it's supposed to be a really good foundation. And then right down here, we do have the Becca Dreamsicle highlighter. Oh, it's open and you can, it's like a white case with silver, and it's like an orange sherbet color inside. It's going for $9.99. And then down here, a whole restock of the Bounce and Blur foundations. These are so nice by Bare Minerals. I have like 3 of them. They have Mom Sunrise right here, $8.99. And then Blurred Buff, a super, super neutral color. And then Pink Sky. So there might be 4 shades, and that's 3 of them. So let's check out some e.l.f. I did find a new shade in this highlighter, this metallic flare highlighter. This is the rose gold, and it looks super, super pretty. It kind of reminds me of like the Milk Flex one. This one's going for $2.99, and then we did see this one before. This is the white gold, and yeah, super pretty. This is the one that I would get. That would be good for like fair or light people. That's $2.99, but then look, something brand new. Yay! Brand new. This is the e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam, and I see that a ton of YouTubers have this. Let me see if I can get it under the lights. You get 6 shades, all pretty light, although you get a very light champagne gold. Down here you get like a rose gold, and then more of kind of a, I don't know, a regular gold. This is $4.99, and yeah, I've seen a lot of YouTubers have this one. Super popular, but there's only one of them, so that's a fun find today. Hey, I'm over here in the hair section and I just found some more Verb. I love finding this stuff. I've been using that 3-step system with the clarifying shampoo. It is so good. This is the Sephora brand. This is the Verb Ghost Hairspray. Brand new. I haven't seen this before. $10.99 here. A lot of their stuff goes for $18 over at Sephora. Here's a little mini sea texture spray. That's going for $3.99 for that little guy. So here's a fun little set. It is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. That is a cult classic. I love that one. It's too expensive to buy though at Sephora. And then the Full Dry Volume Blast. So 2 little aerosols. That's a styling and finishing spray right here. Went for $20, and here it's $12.99. So cheaper than Sephora, but not even half price. So let's check out some Impressions Vanity. I always love to find these guys here. I got like a giant vanity mirror, like a really huge one here. Oh my god, I love it. This is the regular Hollywood Tritone makeup mirror in the white. So you get 6 lights and just a little finger push right here on that little button, and then it's dimmable too, which makes it awesome. You make it, oh, and then there's 3 temperatures, and it also swivels that way. Okay, cool. And there's a power adapter included. So this one's $34.99. And then right behind it we have the Hollywood XL. So the regular Hollywood has 6 lights. The Hollywood XL has 12. And that one's going for $44.99. And this one's in rose gold. And what is it? Yeah, it has also the 3 light temperatures. And yeah, I really like these type of mirrors, Impressions Vanity. So I'm coming over here to clearance, and I did spot something that I really wanted to show you guys. Otherwise I don't want to spend too much time in clearance because I think it just gets repetitive of just seeing this stuff over and over. But this little kit went for $55 and it's now going for $15. And this is really good because it has a full size of the spot treatment. And then these are like deluxe sizes, but it's a really good kit if you haven't tried this stuff before. So I found a brand new shade of the e.l.f. Shimmer Blush. We found a couple of these in the past. This one's in the shade Always Lucky, which is a deep shade. It's very deep. It's like a, I don't know, what would you call that? Like a cherry-ish. Super beautiful. $2.99. And check out this little kit. This is the Bare Minerals Set to Glow. This is brand new. $20. And you get a mini invisible light. Well, that was the retail. You get a mini invisible light, translucent powder, and then you also get a brush. This one's going for $10.99. And the invisible light, yeah, it's just a translucent powder. It says it blurs fine lines, pores. I don't think definitely never tried that. I've never seen it here before either. So that's a cool little set. So check out this little mysterious box here by Guerlain. This looks like it was an online return with the green highlighter there on the price tag. And this seems to be a light diffusing foundation. It was sold at Sephora. Looks like it was discontinued. It's no longer sold at Sephora, but it has SPF 25, has 4.5-star reviews. Looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna look up a little bit more information. This one here is in the shade 01 Beige Pale. So could that be my shade? I don't know. Let's look it up on the phone. So I'm looking online, and looks like Christine over at Temptalia gave us an A for a grade as a foundation, saying that it was very beautiful, and it gives like a very nice satin foundation, and it was a satin finish, and it was hydrating. This retailed for $59. Again, it looks like it's discontinued, and I do believe that the 01 Beige Pale is the lightest shade, and this didn't come in many shades. According to Christina Temptalia, so I don't know, might give it a try. So just about getting ready to leave. Yeah, it's just not been an exciting week for me at TJ Maxx, at least me personally, but I did find some more of the Juicy Couture. These are the glitter velour lipsticks, and we have ripped and zipped, and we have UV Darling on the right, and then a couple more products. We have the lip luster in, it's called Like Famous, $3.99 for that one. And over here, the lip and eye topper in Glitter Crush, $3.99. And look, a MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance in Radiant Yellow. I believe I have a sample of this at home from some MAC that I bought, but yellow's not my shade anyways. But if you have a golden undertone, this is for you. $16.99 for that one. So that is a really awesome find. So here we have some more of the Easter decorations, and I'm going to be taking off because it's been a slow week here at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but thank you so much for coming along for the ride. Here's some cute Easter stuff. You know what I just found? I just found this. I just found some Valentine's chocolates, and in case you, like, hello my love, sea salt caramels with dark chocolate, and in case you think it's gross and expired, it's not. It expires 9/11/21. $5. So that's coming home with me. You know why? Because I survived 2020, and so did you, and you should treat yourself. So thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I will see you at the next one, and everyone take care, and everyone stay safe. Bye guys.